Hello everyone, this is KuvXRP. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to show you how to get your MetaMask set up quick, how to send some Songbird to your MetaMask wallet, how to connect to the Songbird Explorer, and how to view your new NFTs on Sparkles. So first, if you don't have MetaMask or Bifrost, you're going to want to download one of those wallets. You can use MetaMask as an extension here on Chrome or Brave, or you can download the Bifrost app for iOS or Android. The setup process is very similar. I already have an account set up here, but we're going to go ahead and remove that. Alright, turns out you have to remove the whole extension to do a new wallet. First, you want to add this extension here to Chrome or Brave if you're using Brave. It's going to have you get started. If you have a seed phrase, you can import your wallet here. You can import 12 words, 24 words, however many words you want. Well, not however many words you want. It has to be a secret phrase. After you enter a password there, it's going to show you to secure your wallet. I already know how to do this. I'm not actually going to back these words up because I don't need them. I'm not going to use this wallet now that you've all seen these words. Any of you will have access to this wallet. You have to confirm your words here. Sometimes you can get some really funny word combinations. Other times you get some really stupid word combinations. I've got the words confirmed. Congratulations. Okay. So that's how you create a new MetaMask account. By default, the only network you can see here is Ethereum. If you want to add a network, you can go here to Settings, Networks, and you can add these test networks in just by, I don't know, maybe, I forget how. And you can add a new network here. However, I prefer to go to chainlist.org, search for the chain I want. We want to connect to the Songbird network. And we want to connect our wallet. And then we want to add to MetaMask. Approve. Switching networks. I want to switch network. Now, it added probably this Tobo Labs RPC. You can choose your own RPC. I've added multiple RPCs here in my own MetaMask, just in case sometimes some of them are a little slower than others. So if I'm having issues with transactions, I will go back and try a different RPC. So that's how you set up your MetaMask or Bifrost, get connected. If you don't have any Songbird yet, you can buy that on Bitrue. Alright, now that we got logged into Bitrue, Bitrue is an exchange that you can trade Songbird on. I'm sure there are others. I'm not sure which one's off the top of my head, so you'd want to go over here, go to Songbird. I don't have any money hardly in this account, so I'm not going to be able to do it, but you would put an amount of Songbird you want to buy here, click buy it, and once that transaction goes through, then you can go to your assets, you can withdraw your Songbird. I don't have enough to even try to withdraw. You want to set Songbird network, and then this address, you want to paste this address here, the address you want to send your Songbird to. I guess because I don't have any Songbird to withdraw, it won't even let me paste the address. Once you've got your Songbird in the account that you want to mint with, you want to make sure that you're logged into your MetaMask. Come over here to magicwand.moguls.xyz. You can choose here to mint angels or mint Crypto Moguls. You want to click the crown in the top right to connect your wallet, and then click the mint Crypto Moguls button. Sign the transaction. Congratulations, you've been crowned, Mogul. It takes a minute for the transaction to come through as confirmed here. Then you can go and view your account in the Songbird Explorer. Your latest transaction is that mint that just happened. You can see that it minted me token ID 4867. You can click on that token ID. The image should load here. Sometimes it takes some time. And you can also view the metadata, which has the trait list. So this one's cool. It's got a pawn shop background, sword and shield on the desk, no bobblehead, no side accessory, no earrings. Blue laser eyes, though, and a beverage hat, and gold teeth. It's pretty cool. You can also go to Sparkles, and I've already connected my wallet, but you would click here. There would be a button that says Connect Wallet. Actually, I'll show you. There, Connect Wallet, metamask. Sign that transaction. Look at your profile. Here's where you'll see all of your Songbird NFTs. You can see I've got some angels, I got some canary punks. Takes a while to load sometimes. Oh goodness, I have too many canary punks. And there you can see my Crypto Moguls. You can click on them, you can list them for sale, remove them from sale, refresh metadata if you have to, you can burn it if you want to, you can transfer it here if you want to. You can also go back to the Songbird Explorer, click on the Crypto Moguls address here. You can click on this address. You can view the contract. We have a verified contract. Everything's published. Everything's MIT license. It's free use. You can read things on the contract if you need to, like if you have an address here, type that, see how many that address holds, and you can go and write the contract. You can also transfer NFTs this way. If you put the from address here, the address you want to transfer it to here, and then the token ID. Let's say I wanted to transfer that one I just minted. I don't know what the number was. I forget already. That's how you would do it. You would write that transaction. If that's a token I have, it would not say we're not able to estimate gas. This is because I don't own that token. I can't transfer a token I don't own.